Hello, Kindred Spirits. Thanks for joining me today as I show you how I make my homemade Edelweiss face lotion. Small and white, clean and bright, you look happy to meet me. Blossom of snow, may you bloom and grow forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever. Bless my homeland forever. So I'm covering my wooden table to protect it, and I'm just quickly setting up. This is quite an easy procedure. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at how doable this is. There are a lot of ingredients, but once you make that initial purchase, you have it for a long time. It makes a lot of lotion. So I have distilled water, I have grapeseed oil, alpha-lipoic acid, avocado cream, avocado oil. That little blue bottle is an antibacterial, the Edelweiss extract, and some beeswax. So we're beginning with the water, and I'll have all the measurements in the description below. This is glycerine, and you'll notice that not all of my measurements are exact, a little under, a little over. I found that it didn't make a difference if it wasn't quite exact. Each time I've made it, I've kind of done it a little bit differently with what I had. And it all came out the same. It all came out wonderful, so it's fine. So the heat has to be kept on low, and we're just going to kind of melt a lot of the main ingredients together. Now, I don't know why I am so clumsy with this right here, but I was watching my cat Caleb to make sure he did not jump on the table at this moment because that's something he would do. So I was a little distracted, so that's why I look a little clumsy here, but so we're just going to continually stir, get everything melted and melded together. This is grapeseed oil, and Dr. Anil Rajani recommended this on one of his videos recently, and I was very pleased because I've been using this for a while, and it's very good for under the eyes. Now, I also added those alpha-lipoic drops, just about 2 or 3, but I don't know why it didn't show up in the video. Somehow it got lost, but I did add those drops of alpha lipoic acid, which Dr. Perricone recommends as an anti-wrinkle agent. Again, you see we keep stirring. I was all out of emulsifying wax. I had used it all up in the past, on my past times when I made the lotion. So I'm using as a substitute beeswax, organic beeswax, and it's fine. It will do the job. All these products you can basically get on Amazon or just by Googling them. Again, continually stirring and melting it and mixing it. And here comes our star ingredient, the Edelweiss extract. I use just a little bit. Of course, before even trying this, check with your doctor, check with your dermatologist, and make sure you're not allergic to anything. This is just some vitamin E, popping the capsule. I'm just going to add a few drops. So it's been about an hour, and the jar is still very warm, but if we open it, you'll see how it's practically done. It's just a little bit more setting it has to do. I'm going to leave this overnight, and in about 24 hours it should be done. It was that simple and that easy to do yourself at home. Right now it is snowing, cold and damp and windy outside, so this was really a great day to stay indoors with all of you and just completing this really satisfying do-it-yourself. Thank you so much for joining me, Kindred Spirits. I hope you'll come back. See you next week. And remember, whatever is true, whatever is right, whatever is noble, whatever is admirable, whatever is lovely, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about these things. Hit subscribe, share, and like, and we'll see you next week. Goodbye, Kindred Spirits.